just remember that for doubles, so the secret to doubles is like you practice.
Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. No, starting. Ready?
And then go.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, starting. Yep.
And roll it out now.
2,
And then go.
3,
Yep.
4. Alright, so I want us to learn our knees this time, yeah?
Roll it out. Yeah.
Ready? Starting. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, into the knee.
And then
That's
come over up.
two up.
And then roll.
Roll. Up.
Roll.
All good.
Come over up.
Do it again. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You do up. Press. Do up. Roll. Up. Give up. Nice. So do you have any merit around the rope? You missed that. Alright.
Under.
I will do 4 days after Billy Door, yeah? So go from Billy Door slow. Yep. So go 4 seconds for Billy Door. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And turn around the rope. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Go again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Billy Door. Gas. Dua. Go.
Okay, starting here.
Around the rope.
So always when you start from scratch, you start again. Face this wall.
Olu.
So you're right-handed. Face that one side.
Alright, spread out on every single one. Very good. That's just
That's the line. That's the fall.
Yeah.
Long
Ready?
side, short side.
Set.
I'll start again.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round the rope. Gas. Lure. Olu.
Yeah.
How the shoulders?
Yeah, nice.
Shoulders long. Shoulders long. Alright, we'll do the over the shoulders now. But yeah. Get you to go back instead of that way. We'll go back a bit more just for the leg back. Yeah.
So remember that this is the split. So the same starting position. This is the same starting position. Okay. I'll do my hands now. Cross all the way around. Okay. And speed. On top of us. Flip it once. Okay. Now turn it harsh. Hand on top. All the way around. Yep. Step all the way around. Yes. Now on top. That's the difference. Don't go here. Hold the 2 hands moves on top. And all the way around. See how I start spinning like this? Go out to your right side. Right side's like that. No, stop your hand and reverse. You're going this way, but just reverse it. And you know your figure 8, but just reverse it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Hold your stick in the middle. Yeah. And then come back in. So you're going to go out to the right side, and then you come back in as if you're on a spinning wheel. Yeah. So you're going to go out to the right. When you come back into the middle, you know that spin that you do where you just do one flip? And see if you can skip half a rotation. Instead of going there, skip half a rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Go again. Yeah, so instead of throwing it like this, 2, 1. Okay, so see when I spin it like that and the knife's facing here? 3. If you skip half a rotation, then when you catch it again, your knife will be facing there. Go in. 3. What more? Like half? Another half more? 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So see now your knife is facing the left. Okay, now you bring it up here and you do your figure 8 then, yeah. Yeah?
1, 1.
And then when you bring it back to the middle, it's the same, like it's like it's a half a wall. Nowadays it's a bit of a throw, like over your thumb. Yeah, and then you go out to the right.
How do you do this part again?
So this part is like that figure 8 that you do,
This one.
but it's reversed.
Yeah.
And then you go back into the middle and you do that flip.
So we go up.
Yeah, and then you go out that way.
So this one is.
Yeah, and then you come back over here.
And when I say starting with that.
But you just go once here, once here,
I'll start first.
once when you start.
1, 2, 3.
You know what I'm doing?
2 hands good. 1, 2.
And flip it. Yeah, one flip it, another extra one in there.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, but now just try and go one. See how I'm just going one here and then I go straight into it. Yeah.
Top. Ready, set, 1. So yeah, nice. Alright.
Yeah, I think you just need to get used to that. You can even practice like this.
1, 1.
Double throw, just pass the stick out. Yeah, go.
2, 3.
Yeah, just.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, go from your back catch. Up. And then when you're going up the body, just go.
Spin. 2 hands spin. Yeah, ready? 2, 1.
Yeah?
2,
Go.
3, 4. Yeah, 3, 4.
But go from above your head.
2.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we just see what we can do.
Keep catching my head.
3, 4. 1, 1. Yeah,
And then we can see.
2, 3, 1. Okay. So we're going to toss, yeah? Okay. Swing forward. Into the toss. Okay, ready? Yeah. Around.
Do you have
Swing forward.
to show people?
Ready again. Around.
Practice on your squat.
Yeah. Around.
Can you tell?
Yeah.
Just show it how you short swap.
Yeah.
Where your sword hops it, and then I'll drum forward.
Around.
Yeah?
Up. Down.
Oh, we're gonna get one of the drumsticks there.
Nice. Alright, consider. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around. 1, 2, 3.
And have you been catching behind the back?
Try.
1 more. 4.
Alright, just real quick. Yeah, just when you just pass, help your friends. It's better if we're all like similar
Yeah.
levels.
We haven't been home yet.
If you learn something new, don't hide it. Yeah, show your mates.
Yeah, I'll show you the scale.
Yeah, okay.
You want to
That's
come
good.
out?
Can you show me the end of
So we can all progress. And you guys spin at home?
Yeah.
You spin at home?
You
That's
want
good.
to spend
Yeah.